Teach technique of fundamental skills in a big way with Gopher's TeachNique banners. Stop crowding around small posters or squinting to read instruction from only a few feet away. Life-size, full-color, 3 feet high by 5 feet wide banners are constant visual reinforcement even from across the classroom. Banners are made of heavy-duty vinyl and have hanging grommets across the top, ensuring they'll last for years, and making setup and takedown and switching between banners simple. Lead your students with the help of a visual aid in short activity breaks every 30 minutes to help them improve focus and concentration. Give your students' brains a break in the classroom with easy-to-follow activities on large banners for the whole class to view. Brain Breaks banners, only from Gopher.